I got a different one here today. I'm doing an inflatable and I need a stunt car as part of it. This is a package of 4-foot inflatable creepy eyeballs for your car, which is an interesting one. Never did anything like that before. GARIG was nice enough to provide this to me so I could try it out and I could show you. What do you say we pull it out of here, see how it's constructed, make sure it's not a piece of junk, and then let's inflate it, see what it looks like. Hey, listen, I'm gonna start right here, right now. Comment below, have you ever had like an inflatable that like was meant to decorate your car before? This is a little unusual for me. There are some of the conventional tie downs in there, but not the ones. There are no stakes to stick it in the ground. Okay, so here are the eyeballs themselves. I have my favorite pro tip, which I like to share with you guys because every once in a while I start to inflate one of these and it's not inflating. I'm like, oh, this is a piece of junk. And then I start looking at it and it came unzipped. I'm sure what happens is they do the quality control, they look at everything inside, is it all put together right, and they forget to zip this up. And I've definitely sat there trying to inflate it and being like, it's not inflating. So now I'm looking at this. I guess it's 4 feet wide. What does this look like? Comment below. Anyway, this is adorable looking. I see it's got suction cups to stick to the windshield. What do you say we plug it in and see what it looks like? Assuming we want it kind of in the middle of the windshield, so let's go like this. Okay, so here's an interesting, cool one. This actually runs on a USB. So I think other than on the windshield here, I think there are a lot of cool things. Like I might actually put them on my front windows of the house, but let me plug it into the USB, show you how it looks. Okay, so it inflates instantly. I want to show you. There are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are a lot of LEDs in this, and I think it looks freaking cool. I can't tell you, this thing blew up so fast. It's just, I'm running it off a little battery power pack, and I am definitely gonna set this up in the windows of my house because I really love the way this thing looks. That, or I was thinking I might put it on the back window of the car. But yeah, if you're looking to install it on the car, that's kind of what it looks like. Obviously, this is a big truck, so 4 feet is not gonna go from the windshield to the other. But yeah, these things are pretty cool. If you want these for yourself, there's a link here on the screen or down below. Either one works the same way, neither one costs you anything extra to use those. I would encourage you to do that. Oh, while you're doing it, there's a new hype feature right here at the bottom of the screen. Please use that. It means a lot to the channel. YouTube wants to see that get used. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions about this or ideas where I can install these. And don't forget to comment what they looked like a little while ago. All right, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.